Alright, so today we're gonna see the Valley of the Temples. So we had a bit of a hard time finding the right parking, but we're here and it's all good. And this was the Temple of Hera right here, dedicated to Hera, wife of Zeus. According to our tour guide, this was built in the Doric style. It's actually still there because of the different layers that went into the column, whereas everything that was not Doric has been basically destroyed because it was all one column, which was not earthquake resistant. So these are a part of the fortifications right here.
So you can see in the fortification there are no sign of bricks or big blocks.
No.
It's happened, yes. It was a piece of mountain that went from here to the second way. So there was a piece of mountain hold this place. They began to cut from up there. The stones going down like this. This part became the quarry to make the temple.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they covered this kind of niche with. They buried people inside in fetal position, like a baby inside a mother, like this, representing a new life.
6 tombs from the old wall, right there.
The old walls, broke down, collapsed because of some earthquakes. Here you see where the top part of this tomb disappeared. There was enough room here to put from 5 to 6 corpses in fetal position. They were all family tombs.
So he's getting us an almond.
He climbed a tree and got sick man.
Yes.
It's okay, I'll catch it. Oh, check out these almonds. Alright, so we're just stopped for a snack. Here, got some ice cream. That's so cute. Hey, kitty.
Cat.
Hi, kitty. Oh, he's so cute. Just don't kick him. Or her. Yeah, he's pretty so soft. We're about to continue our tour. So we basically saw the first temple, Temple of Hera that way, the tombs that were built inside the wall, and I think we're gonna go that way to the Temple of Concordia, that way. It's a very nice, the way that this whole thing is set up, very neat. You just walk through this little pathway and you go through different temples. It's pretty neat. So the Temple of Concordia, right there. What? The almond tree? You like the almond tree, huh? Climb? She wants me to climb the almond tree. And with a view of the city behind. Beautiful. Well, not.
It's very short.
Yeah, you're laughing, huh? You're laughing, huh? Ow, ow, ow!
Sorry, I'm running over you.
Thanks, Mom. So Icarus and his burned wings. So we can see the arches in there. It's beautiful. You don't see many Greek temples that have that. It's the Temple of Concordia. Definitely the highlight here. Supposedly standing exactly as it should be. All of that because it was made earthquake resistant, as opposed to some of the other temples here, like the one that we're about to see, which was built before, just a couple of years before this one. Has been completely destroyed.
This part of the temple is in better condition than the other side. Look. We have some fantastic animals. Look, they are the Girgentans goats. Cornuto.
Oh, there they are.
Can I see
He's right there.
Mettiti in favore alla camera. Look here. All right.
Oh, he likes those things. Oh, look at that.
So this is the Girgentans goats. They come from Afghanistan. They came here in the 4th century BC.
Oh,
They remain
really?
here. It's the only place we can find this kind of goats with these typical horns.
Crazy horn.
Yes, the wool is cashmere wool.
Cashmere wool.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, the milk is very, very good. So this temple was called the Olympian, the Olympic Zeus.
Vedete anche qui quei solchi, vedete a ferro di cavallo.
Oh, wow.
So this temple looked like all the other temples, just columns. So if you count the columns, there are not 6 like normal, but there are 7.
Right.
They are not columns. They are fake columns or pseudo columns. The meaning is half columns. It were one with the wall of this temple, which was close here. Between the columns, you see some figures of giants, the Telamons. There were some giants that rebelled against Zeus, called the Gigantomachia, and they were condemned to stand the weight of the world on their shoulders. There are statues of 7 meters 65 centimeters, made of 26 blocks.
Yeah.
Yes. If you go to our archaeological museum, you see this one in upright position, in a big hall, you arrive here with it.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh, so
really
these are
huge.
really giant.
Well, some female giants carried with 3 big heads of these giants. These are 11 blocks of the 26 that made one of the giants.
How many giants were there again?
There were 34 giants,
34.
but many of them disappeared, were just ruins. The next you will see is some blocks of one of these giants. The only reconstructed completely is in our archaeological museum, in upright position.
So that's just a copy.
Yeah, this one is copied, dated 1875.
That's a giant right over there. Alright, so we're taking this bus. We're all kind of squished.
Ecco fatto.
Okay.
Sì, amoni.
I think he's sitting with the stroller.
Amuta.
This is a jam-packed bus. It's jam-packed over here. It's crazy. I'm sitting here with this little one. The tour guide is right in front. Right on the side. All right, we're here. That was awesome. That was awesome.
Io dove cretino,